The Weekender bag for women. This is going to be a travel duffel bag. Now, I was sent this to test out, and I'm pretty impressed. One, I love the color. Blue is just my thing. I love this color. I love how compact it is, and you unzip it and you open it up. Now, this is water resistant. It's a personal item or a carry bag, and it can be for an overnight. It can be a foldable gym bag. It's in the blue. It's tear resistant and waterproof fabric. It's got the reinforced shoulder strap, the smooth double zippers. It's got a slot for the luggage handles. This thing is really nice, and it's got the two little sides here that you can put a drink or snacks in. This thing, when you open it up, has so many different pockets inside. It reminds me almost of like a beach bag because I love the ones where you can just insert specific things into the slots and be organized. This thing will hold it all. So if you could literally fill it with your clothes for the weekend and put all of your cosmetics or anything that you may need, cords, along the sides, and it's going to be where you know where it is. This has also got pockets on the outside with a Velcro closure. This has got the nice long strap, the shoulder strap, or the two little handles. Now this is equivalent to a carry-on, which I think is amazing.